Hi guys, they're eating their snacks, cucumber. Their first day outside yesterday, so we're gonna go outside again today. They got their house in there, so I just miss them to be outside. You know, because I used to eat that I put her inside, and then if I put outside, it's like my heart is different. I feel sad if they're outside. Mm. Say hello to love, heart, hope, majesty, and prince, and princess. Say hello. This is love. She's drinking water. Say hello, love. Say hello, love. And that's hope. Oh, that's hard. And that's hope. And this is princess. That's princess. That's prince. Prince. That's prince. Maybe I'm gonna put them a thing for her legs, guys, because so that we don't confuse their names. Okay, enjoy watching. Bye for now. Say bye bye, babies.